Hello ladies and gentlemen, here we have the 2022 Honda HR-V. Look how much of an upgrade it is from the previous generation. We've got this new front grille, of course it is painted and it is nice and aggressive. Coming around the side, it's got this sportback design. It's kind of like Audi-esque and it looks absolutely, well, pretty nice. Of course, new headlight designs as well. And the back end is a pretty smart looking thing. I mean, just look at it, right? It's such an upgrade to, you know, HR-V owners if you are looking to buy one of these, in fact. Anyway, I think it's time we jump over to the interior because I do not have long with this car. Jumping over to the interior of the HR-V, and it's very, very different in here compared to like the old Hondas. If you've seen the 11th generation Civic that's just come out, well, you're going to see a lot of bits that have been shared with this car, or shared with that car even, and that's a great thing. Why? Because Honda have made huge improvements this time. Just taking these rotary dials, for example, they feel extremely premium and fantastic to touch. Next up, let's talk about the head unit. And if you're a Honda owner back in the day, you would know they were absolutely shit. And I have to swear because it was actually that bad. CarPlay would never launch, and I've had instances where my infotainment system just wouldn't turn on. This new system though, completely the opposite. An element in cars I've not seen before is this diffuse air system, which is controlled by the dials on the side of the interior. And this allows you to have the blower on, but push the air around the side of the car instead of your face. Really not seen a complaint like that before, but clearly Honda have seen it as an issue. However, it's not all good news. This HR-V only comes with half a digital dash, something I find quite bizarre given the new Civics have a full digital display. Surely it would have been cheaper to use the same part. I feel like Honda are turning into the next Audi, and that kind of makes me feel sick. Anyway, enough of me complaining, although it won't be the last. Let's take this car for a spin. Right guys, now let's go for a drive in the Honda HR-V. And let's just start it up first of all. Maybe not. Oh, it's a hybrid. So we have started. Let's take the handbrake off. This car though, very interesting. I think this car uses 2 electric motors mated to a 1.5 litre petrol engine. And I'm not too sure if that 1.5 litre petrol engine is the L15 B7 that is used in the Honda Civics and Honda Accord. No, actually no, they use the 2 litre in the Honda Accords. That's for the US market. First impressions, I mean, it's riding on the 18-inch alloys at the moment. It is the only rim size that you can get in this car, and that's fine. Oh, it's so different to the old Hondas. I mean, the chime that it makes is different. The indicator noise, it feels extremely premium, don't get me wrong. Someone's took some van off-road up there. It's got flappy paddles. I assume this is for, oh, it uses a CVT gearbox, so continuous variable transmission, and there is no gears. So these flappy paddles, although look, I mean, I'm not too sure. No, it doesn't change gear. Okay, that's fine. I believe these flappy paddles just change the ratios on the CVT transmission. But honestly, I've got no clue where I want to go at the moment. I'm going to follow this guy though in the other HR-V. Let's see where he takes it. On the green route. Is there a green route? Where's the green route? I'm sure that's just on the road, right? Surely not, right? Makes so much noise. Nah, that CVT makes a lot of noise. Whoa, bit of a compression right there on the Millbrook circuit. Let's test out the bumps. Oh, it's quite smooth over those, to be fair. Yeah, the CVT transmission makes more of a racket in this car than it does in my 10th generation Honda Civic. Let's test out the drive mode. So we've got normal, eco, and then normal, sport. I mean, it does handle okay. It's not the you know, the greatest car. Yeah, it does handle the twisties well. Are we gonna get the wheels to chirp? I mean, it's on Michelin tyres right now. This pack in front of us are pretty quick as well. You've got everything flying about in my car at the moment. Oh, this circuit's just a lot of fun, not the car. Not the car. Oh, the Honda sensing getting in, lane keep assist. That is so goddamn annoying. Yeah, we need to talk about Honda sensing. Has it improved in this car? Probably not. Honda sensing is the one thing I absolutely hate. Got a fast pack of cars. Wow, that compression feels great. Yeah, this is ace. Oh, let's just check out the trip computer. What are we averaging? So range 371 miles. We're doing 27 to the gallon. I mean, of course that's gonna be horrendous. Driving like an absolute yobbo today. So flat out in the HRV gets you 26 miles per gallon. Are the brakes good? Yeah, brakes are good. This hill circuit is ace, but a bit of a jump. Nah, can't risk it. It's not an off-road vehicle. Front wheel drive setup, I believe. There's no all-wheel drive system in these cars, I don't think. As for prices, I'm really not too sure. I will pop it on the screen of what it is. So they probably range from around here. Let me know if you think that's good, or let me know if you think that's bad. I think it's actually quite expensive. It's probably expensive. Shortly after this, guys, I am gonna try test out the Honda E and see what that's like. That car does come with a fully independent suspension. I'm not too sure what the setup is in this car. Hopefully it's similar. Honda really do nail their chassis and their suspension setups. One thing I've noticed that's pretty nice is this armrest right here. It is a little bit far back though. I wish it was a little bit forward. The dials, I was moaning about the fact that, you know, it's a bit analog here, or half analog, whatever you want to call it, and digital. It's actually not too bad. I'm complaining for no reason, nitpicking right there. Let's just test out the battery mode in this car. So there's a B mode. And has it gone all full EV? Yeah, it has. Full EV mode. Oh, and we've got like this. Oh, we could change the modes. We could not change the modes. We could change this analog. We could change this little dash here. Yeah, we're in full battery mode right now. It's not making any noise. Just creeping. These dials, I love these dials though. Oh, that feels bloody premium. Now the backup camera, I won't say it's great. It's not great in my Civic, so it's not. I'm sure Honda really haven't thought about upgrading it. The mirrors do dip though. Anyway guys, that's all I have today. I hope you did enjoy. Sorry if it's a short video. I didn't have that long with this car. Only, what, half an hour? Yeah, apologies. If you did enjoy, do all the good stuff, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.